simbonanga uMandela thina ithembiso zamanga political prisoners and the talk of negotiations ezoqeda ukuchitheka kwegazi eMzansi the first black president second round ye colonization basitempela okwagcina ezoni lethi sifahlekelo amaqiniso kiliphiri limakunutu koparlamenteni 2018 phakama Ramaphosa ixesha lifikile ngathi uzoyenza umehluko kanti uzodala umonakalo greediness and brutality usirili pandemic ufana nala coronavirus akayilethile wasdal masha lo yamadala into ngizonitshela yona ukuthi abanandaba nathi 2024 is our 1994 angeke sizwe ngani yaphela inhlupheko nokuhuzo kwamabond free into empty promises.
Let's go.
Yaphela inhlupheko yokuhuzuka kwama bond free into empty promises. Okay. Yila majoint ayamajob namalight leti demon bengithi ngiqeda amapeni kanti ngizithele esikhokweni ngenile embobeni bintsha manje seyadonsa ukushenda kaSathane sinkhawasile lesilwane sisesigayweni nickname imaluchu oil Crystal Metinya kuvungula uqedile kusasa lethu aqhumile amathopha somehlo bofu sethuna amahlibili nhlenghleng sikhwaza ngabomgilisi amaphare emakasana sefishwa amagadget masivela ngoba konke kisingudla sponsor kasani achoose sizongomsebenzi asizanga ngokuzolala siyimbungulu simunye igazi qedanela kamfowethu drug addiction ijumjum sileze sidumayo lokishi sasiphenduka ama-wrong turn sipoqokile angeke kusho ukuthi besiyikhothani siduli in my time sibancane siwubona umehluko sijuswa ile plug lesikhashana ukhunembeza ngiqunye isibindi ngiminya nonalo ngiphila naye ejardini sihamba siphula itanti siphusa wonke umuntu emphakathini siphilela ilimanje siqize eqakala ngekusasa salibheka ithalente sachazwa intusi yakhona yabona sana ushaya imisikhola singikubonise lento yenziwa kanjani ila madwa ngamabomu without realizing ukuthi this is affecting us slowly but surely amalanda kavunras bewangekho kangako sikhuzwa njalo siwokhanda limtshelo kwakhe fast life easy cash asibuphilo ngwanaka patience is veg ijaha la suzis ngibe ngiphusha indelelo ngithi konke ngikwenzayo ngizenzela mina ma-olay shona malanga sesiyasola kukumanje siyadrizila kawo lingenzani ithoba ngifuna ukubuya emhlabeni kanti liphi iqiniso peace. Concentration camp nonesikazi liyakha liphinde libhidle izikazi kilona likasi lelibulukile ngitoro zabatsha amaphupho kade akhashabalela aphelele emakhoneni ilezi esihlala emakuleni amakhona aphelele emoyeni siyaphaka siyaroof basikhwaza ngabo-roofers izinja zepregenal ikarebeka sibamba iduna manje asesithethe imfundiso esekhetho khonasa ngithi niyazi size sama-graduates khohlwa isipiliyoni uzosithola estradeni akudingeki ngama-requirements kulula ukungena kunzima ukuphuma kuze kulamula ijele noma ithuna on these streets inombolo idlala abantwana ikhulukazobhicwela abashana mfana noma ntombazana ukho umehluko nabaphuphupaca sebayaphakamisa basichaza ngomsangana bohoshi nabohomya zilimele lezinja sikhuzani ziyajuthana a lot of squatters siyingotsha left and right siyakubula khalikongo mihla namalanga namasayirina wathula ngisamaqala kuzwa la asiyindawo siphelela khona ekazi abongicela ungibayela inkawuza nabo ngikayibona yibo abaphathi bamaphepha degrees diplomas isigela sihafu isimosha imizuzu inganekwane mabethe education is the key to success esikhathini samanje kumele ufunde ukhandiza ngomunye ulayini itifiketi sithola amabonda makahiyeni umsebenzi kuze kube ngathi si-useless asishayanga ngokumaketha dilwadi inhlakani sibona ngathi amadlozi asifulathele somvari kuphilo kintwe weldo wangazi number bani kodwa lona ilokishi leqgilaza bathi kasi thembisonga khona thebo babithembisa amaki ama-ward council ashaya umphakathi emva kwendlebe thengiselwa ingulube sesakeni amasuku omsebenzi akhishwa ngentshontsho bayikhona makasana ngizokusqueeza in akuyi ngokuthi ucava in kuya ngokuthi ucava bani umafakani nikaniki impilo ifinda siphilisa ubumotherfucker street government ubakhamandela i-corruption egcwele kasibecame noma sasijwayeze lifestyle esinathi bayakhankasa makumele bavotele but they fail to deliver bavala ihlazo ngama-food parcel mabathola isikhundla bayarelocate ababe nehobi badla iy'mali zamathenda bakhorika nazo zabahlali ne-development ye-infrastructure iqiniso kusethembisonga akunasithembiso sekusaseliqhakazile inhlupheko kadakhe iphenduka usizi inyembeza ziwela phansi kuyafana negazi lakhe nale nhliziyo yehlala ibalisa concentration camp nawunesikazi. They say you only live once. I say you live till infinity, but you only die once. Izinhlungu zalo mhlaba ziphethe deswang nokufika ku-trance. A state in which I seem to be asleep, but I'm aware of what is said to me, hypnotized. I'm thinking so much about something that I do not notice what is happening around me. Hypnotic rhythms and sounds. Hayi kabi besacela enye chance. Ubani ozofakaza ngami through trials and tribulations ngihlezi singiyi-one. Is there someone ocover something umbuzo izibuza wona every day ngoba ngiyinkomehla yodwa kodwa kusenani mhlawumbe ukhona la ngaphandle ongafakaza ngoScott. One day ngizokhala icilongo ngizoshona ngiphumule enkhaleni isina ngikhumbula ngihluleka ukungikhumbula manje ngisaphila nabukisa yazi. I was a loner, later became a stoner. Ngiyayifrosta ngiziyasduma qala wamfantuka. Kubigada zikamadala besikhuluma bezofakaza ngami. I make myself come by thinking deeply in silence and repeating a special phrase to myself many times. Unsoembusani. Hardcore is coco mamas. Transcendental meditation. I feel lazy. Why sudden change? Why so much pain? Time is a limited life experience. Most of you say I'm trying so hard to be gangster. You don't know who I am and what I'm capable of. You only made a moita tindila semakasana, very energetic and vibrant. Look like being underestimated, nicest thing ever. It's really good letting them think less of you while you can do more. Thank you, Bafet.